Hi students. So previous lecture, radiation mechanism in single wire, two wire dipole. So in previous lecture, radiation mechanism in single wire, two wire dipole completed. Now this video lecture has some knowledge about current distributions in thin wire. So now we can current distributions on thin wires. Current distributions on thin wire. So what is the importance of this current? What is the importance of this current in antennas? What is the importance of the current term in particular antenna? So we already said that antenna is a radiating element. Very good. Antenna is radiating element. So when antenna is act as radiating element, so what is the primary condition that any particular conductor has its own by nature, that is time varying current. So when current is in time varying behavior, so di by dt, what is the di in our past equation? What is the past equation? Very good. di by dt equal to charge multiplied by acceleration. అంతే కదా? Yeah. So therefore when di by dt can act as charge variations, so therefore all charge variations are taking in the form of moving currents. Very good. So when these moving currents are accelerated, when this moving current is accelerated, what happening in ordinary conductor? What happening in ordinary conductor? Yes, very good. All these electron charges are moving from one point and reaches at another end. So same phenomena can be available. Same phenomena can be available in wire concepts. So in previous lecture, the wire concepts are defined. Wire concepts are divided into single wire, two wire. Next, what? Very good. Single wire, two wire, dipole. So in this dipole concepts, let we can recall this dipole. So let we can recall this dipole. So what is the importance of this dipole equal to thin wire antenna? So already wire antenna, we have various wire antennas. So ordinary copper conductor is also be act as wire antenna. Yes or no? Yeah. So similarly, any dipole concept can act as wire antenna when this wire brings from one point to another point. So that is called current distributions. So in this topic, we want to explain how the current distributions are on thin wire antenna. How the current distributions are on thin wire antenna. Yes. That's why let us consider a lossless two-wire transmission line in which movement of charges creating a particular current I in each wire. This current at the end of transmission line is reflected back when the transmission line has parallel endpoints resulting in the form of standing wave in combination with incident wave. So in the particular topic, what is the importance of this thin wires are nothing but in particular antennas, incident waves are different and reflected, that is transmitted and reflecting waves. So when incident and reflecting waves combined at a particular point, then what happens on this thin wire antenna is nothing but automatically they will form some loop circles like in this fashion. This type of loop circle half simply call it as semi-circled patterns. These are all semi-circled patterns. So when semi-circled patterns are observable, when semi-circled patterns are formed in the particular thin wire, particular antenna conducting material, then what happened? Then what happened on this thin wire antenna is nothing but all electron charges are moving away from the particular point in specified direction in suppose let's take material number 1. Similarly, to the material 1, they are ready to coincide at a particular point. So that's why for lossless two-wire transmission line, movement of charges are responsible for producing the current in the particular wire. So already this statement derived an equation from in our previous classes. Yes or no? Yeah. This current when current is creating. So what are the factors to produce the current? Motion of the charges. So moment the charges those are in those are in acting conditions are responsible to bring the current in the particular wire. This current at the end of the transmission line is expected reflections. So when the particular transmission line has parallel endpoints, so when the transmission line has parallel endpoints, so resulting in the form of standing waves in combination with somewhat of particular incident waves. So when the when this incident waves are observing, so there will be combinedly together called as standing waves. So no question, at which distance, nothing but what is the time period? Let's say here time period or dimensions of the thin wire antenna is measurable in the particular lambda. So in previous class, so the distance of wave traveling from a fixed antenna is simply called it as equal to time period. Suppose if the time period is t by 4, then what is our observation in last class? The distance of waves away from the object is simply that distance is exactly equal to time period lambda by 4. When t equal to lambda by 4, distance equal to lambda by 4. When t equal to lambda by 2, distance equal to lambda by 2. The same phenomena once again applied here. So at a what distance this amplitudes of the generated wave patterns is nothing but according to the time period, let's say lambda by 2. So for each lambda by 2, the wave patterns are resembled. That's why they mentioned here some one is like our ordinary waveform, positive cycle, half cycle, positive. Here positive half is nothing but this is the quadrants. These are the charge acquiring positions. What are these? These are the very good charge acquiring positions. This charge acquiring positions are depends. This charge acquiring positions are depends on distance. So what is the distance here equal to from see here? I think everybody watching that figure. So the distance equal to the point of the journey from this point to this point, and this point to this point. So the distance, so this is the distance where the point that the signals are traveling from one point to another point. So this is the distance where the signals are traveling from one point to another point. So here plus symbol is available and minus symbol is available. So minus and plus are the responsible. Minus and plus are the responsible for charge creations, that is simply call it as charge acceleration as well as deacceleration. Yes, now why? Because in the particular antenna, radiations are nothing but charge accelerating and deaccelerating. Then only particular radiation. Then only there is a current distribution is available on the particular antenna. So that is here when the particular combination. So again, what is the challenging task? What is the challenging task equal to? In the last lecture, we concluded that if the charges are not moving, what is the conclusion in previous? So when the charges are moving, there is no yeah, there is no yes, you are absolutely correct. So there is no radiation when the charges are moving. Suppose perhaps when the charges are moving, if the wire is straight, there also be no variation. When charges are moving with respect to time varying fluctuations. So when wire is straight, bend, discontinuity. So like all are the examples for this one. All are the examples for this one. So these charge acquiring um, are responsible for those who are able to make them efficient. So that's why here మనం ఇక్కడ ఒక లైన్ రాస్తున్నాం. So when the transmission lines are flaring about 90 degree, forming a geometry dipole antenna, so everybody note the point. Everybody note this point. The current distributions remains no change, and corresponding fields associated with the resulting of the particular dipole, therefore cancelled to each other if there is no radiation. If the length has if the particular diagram has length less than lambda by 2, so phase of the current of standing wave in each transmission lines are same. Clear? So this is called here same in previous one also. Suppose if the particular, this is the everybody అందరూ ఈ బొమ్మ ఈ ఫిగర్ ని చూడండి. At a particular distance, suppose if there is a lambda by 2 or L by 2, so from L by 2 to here, the distance is nothing but lambda by 2. Clear? Lambda by 2. So same lambda by 2, we are having the length that is equal to your L by 2. So L by 2 and L by 2. So both L by 2 and L by 2 having the equivalent contribution. So that's why for each iteration, what is our net? So what is our net observation here? For each lambda by 2, there is a flared section. So here observed flaring. Flaring is nothing but generating the waves closely and together. That is simply call it as flaring. Can anyone say the example? Can anyone identify the difference between this picture and this picture? Can anyone say the difference between this picture and this picture? Yes, yes, yes. So one student shared a very genuine answer. So it particular bent. So this is the two bent structures. So this is the bent transmission line. This is the bent transmission line where your time accelerating field quantities are differable the particular direction. That's why we noted here. When the transmission line is flaring, when the transmission line is flaring, these are the points you have to mention in your answer. That's why more stress on this particular topic. So when the transmission line is flaring out about 90 degree, so the geometry will form as dipole symbol. So these are the dipole example for equal to dipole. Clear? So when the current distributions are no change, therefore radiation fields are not getting cancelling, resulting the particular radiations from the dipole. Suppose if the length of the dipole is less than lambda by 2, then say what is the output? Current phase. So particular phase of the currents of standing wave in each transmission lines are same. That is the conclusion from when LLM lambda by 2. Now come, if the particular diameter of the each line, what is the diameter? This is the particular diameter. This is the particular diameter. So if the diameter of the each line is small, current distribution particular line will be sinusoidal, null at end, but overall distribution depend upon the particular line. So this is the dimension. In the particular antenna subject or antennas, all dimensions are in top end. Top end dimensions are explained in terms of lambda. So if the particular length, if the particular length has their own, so therefore your d that equal to your distance. So your distance of traveling equal to in such a way that they can exit the path. They can exit to the path from here, there, clear, etc. So with this reason, there is a part. If the diameter of each line is very small, that is the point you have to remember. If the diameter of the line is small, what is the diameter? D. D is the diameter. Symbol for small equal to less than. To which parameter this diameter is less than? S. So one share very good answer, lambda by 2. Why? Because we are taking the reference value lambda by 2. So if the diameter of each wire is lambda by 2, so therefore what happened? Current distribution is along the lines will be sinusoidal. Therefore automatically depends upon this particular two-wire transmission line. This is the answer. This is the answer what we are expecting. This is the answer what we are expecting. Simply call it as current distributions. This is the current distribution waveform. The current distribution waveform. Simply, what is the symbolic? Here you don't focus on any derivatory parts. Only our idea equal to how to maintaining the symbolic parts. So with this knowledge, so here current distributions are similar. Here current distributions are similar. So therefore, for each lambda by 2 wire, we are able to express the distributions of the current in all patterns like this. Okay. So this is for example. For example, what is this? Is this picture equal to what is this picture? Yes, two-wire transmission line. This is the example picture. How a two-wire transmission line, is able to produce the currents, antenna currents. Now this is the picture called flared transmission line. So what is the flared transmission line? The particular flaring the transmission line, just here some angular this one. What are the what is called some angle should be implemented. Clear? See the angle. So I'm going to take here some theta. Clear? So if this angle, what is the angle is nothing but already we mentioned, మనం ఏమని మెన్షన్ చేసామంటే flaring అని మెన్షన్ చేసాం. This is the flaring. Flaring equal to somewhat of the like this. Clear? So when flared section is observing, so current distributions on thin wire, when flaring sections are estimated, so these are the responsible for your maintenance of the current distributions on thin wire. So due to this, what happened? There is a charge, net current distributions are observable. So due to this, what happens is nothing but so due to current distributions on thin wire, there may be a charge distributions are occupied. The charge distributions are occupied along the lines. So these are the lines where charge distributions are clear. Likewise, here we are able to estimating the charge distributions on this one. Simple. So now that is the simple way. To estimate the particular this one. So when the particular current and the flared sections are defined, so automatically there may be a transmission line. Where your estimation of the charges, are occupied are simply accomplished on particular thin wire. So from the node it were away from this one, like this one, there is a zigzag positions are be implemented. Is it clear? This is the current distribution waveform. This is the current distribution diagram for very good two-wire transmission line. So this is the current distribution diagram for flared transmission line. Now what is this is the current distribution diagram for lambda by 2 dipole. This is the lambda by 2 dipole. What is the lambda by 2 dipole? This is the lambda by, already we mentioned here. So if the diameter of the line is small, current distributions lines along the lines will be sinusoidal. So with the null at the end of the overall distributions are depends upon the length of the dipole. Clear? That's why when two-wire transmission lines are be implemented, likewise when two-wire antenna transmission lines are implemented like this, what happened? Due to the phenomena of dipole, Due to phenomena of the dipole, current is minimum. Current is minimum at both ends of the dipole and maximum at the center of the dipole. That's why here figure. That's why here figure drawn likewise. So this is the center. This is the center where maximum of the current is available. Current distribution. Clear? మన డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ లో మనం ఏం చెప్పాలి, వేర్ ఇన్ విచ్ పార్ట్ కరెంట్ హ్యాస్ క్లియర్, ఇన్ విచ్ పార్ట్ కరెంట్ హ్యాస్ maximum, in which part current has minimum. Yes or no? Yeah. So due to this random conditions, what we can observing equal to, so this is the part where you are able to achieve the maximum current, and this is the part where you are observing the minimum current. So the maximum and minimum parts we are observing here. Is nothing but due to the incident lines. So this is the incident line. So incident line. All these are called incident lines. So there is a standing waves are observed. In between forwarding and backward directions. So this is the forwarding and backward directions of the resultant transmission lines are be generated. So this is the end here. This is the end here, where the net reflections are be identified. So this is the end here, or like, well, this is the end here. So this is the end here. So there is a reflections are incident. So incident and reflected waves are responsible to produce the standing wave pattern. Clear? So now let we move next slide. So in previous slide, so this slide is what is the importance of the current distribution. This slide is a diagram for two-wire transmission line. This slide is a diagram for flared transmission line, and this diagram is represents linear dipole. With the linear dipole, very good. Now we are doing the iterations. On various examples. So these are all some examples related. Clear? What is the examples here? What are the examples on this one? So due to this one, what are the examples showing? Is nothing but so with this one, there are current distributions are be generated when L equal to lambda. For example, clear? For example, one, there is a length when length lambda, when the length less than lambda, what is the current distribution? What is happening when the less than lambda? All electron charges are very accumulated here. So therefore there is a trace. So likewise comparative to sinusoidal, there is a triangular distributions are implemented. So clear? This is the triangle trace. So likewise, when there is a triangle, when length lambda, when length less than lambda, so there is a triangular nature. Can be implemented. So that is when length less than lambda. So when L equal to lambda, by 2. So this is another example where so you are having So when length less than lambda by 2, what is the current distribution diagram? Simple. When L equal to lambda by 2, what is the current distribution diagram? What is the current distribution? How to sketch the current distribution? So this is the lambda, this is the lambda. So what is the when length equal to lambda by 2? Likewise, this is the lambda by 2. So this is the maximum way. So this is the maximum way of current. So this is the plus, some suppose positive and negative, and this is the I naught. So I naught. I naught equal to what is the input to maximum input current equal to maximum output, that is equal to I naught. What is the I naught here at point? This one is the I naught. So this is the point where here. So this is the point. So this is the point where you are identifying a particular one. So in this way, when length L equal to lambda by 2, when length L equal to lambda by 2, so automatically what is the principal so what is the principle we found here? What is the important principle we found here equal to automatically this is the way why మనకు L equal to lambda by 2 తీసుకున్నప్పుడు కరెంట్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది చూపించేసాం. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద హోల్ కరెంట్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఫర్ డైపోల్. అందరు మర్చిపోమాకండి, మనం ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాము అంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అనేది డైపోల్ లో ఉన్నాము. డైపోల్ లో కరెంట్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ యొక్క వేవ్ ఫార్మ్స్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ చూపండి అని మిమ్మల్ని అడిగారు అనుకోండి, ట్రై టు రిప్రజెంట్ లైక్ దిస్. Now clear. Next example comes to next third example, next slide. In next slide, what is the example taken here? When length is in between lambda by 2 to lambda. In what is the previous picture? When length lambda by 2, this slide L length lambda. This L equal to lambda by 2, exactly lambda by 2. Now this is the length in between the value minimum lambda by 2 or not beyond lambda. What happened? Can you guess the example? So in this way, the value in this way, the maximum value can be shrinks. When the maximum value can be shrinks towards the zero axis, So simple. So what is the logic behind when length beyond the lambda by 2, the electrons are rushed out from the dipole leg. Due to that, what happening, the majority of concentrations are diminished. So therefore the maximum amplitude of the current can be decreases comparative to L by 2. That's why for a dipole, for a practical TV transmission, the dipole antennas are more suitable to provide maximum currents. So similarly, what happened here when L lambda by 2 to L lambda, what happens here? The minimum current, the current diminishes. Current diminishes from dipole. The current diminishes from dipole to here. Therefore, with that logic, what happened? Automatically, the amplitudes of the currents are dropped. So when the amplitudes of the currents are dropped, so automatically this curve comes very closer. So with that one, maximum value of the current can be diminished. That's why we can conclude it from here. Shall we conclude it today? So when length greater than lambda, so everybody, I think everybody watching the slide, what here, when length beyond the lambda, current goes opposite phase between adjacent half cycle. So therefore current is not having the phase along all parts of the transmission line. This will interference and cancelling effect of the total radiation pattern. So therefore current distributions, we have seen the maximum current excitation at any time. Current varies as a function of the time in the particular thin wire. So that is the example criteria that you have to mention. So these are the various example for dipole when time equal to 0, when time period equal to no period, when time period equal to double quarter. So that is the octave time period, quarter time period, octave quarter time period. These are the exactly replica. That is the 3 by 4th time period, 3 by 4 time period. Okay. So these are the various. This is the answer. This is the question answer. Explain current distributions. Explain current distributions on thin wire antenna. You should say what is our journey starts from here. What is the thin wire antenna? Diagram for thin wire antenna. So what are the possibilities in thin wire antenna? Flared section. Explain the current distribution in flared section. Explain current distribution in dipole section. Explain various examples depends upon length. L length and lambda. L equal to lambda. In between lambda by 2 to lambda. In between lambda by 2 to lambda. Clear? Similarly for L equal to when L less than lambda, identify when L less than lambda, what is the important? So when length lambda, the current goes phase reversal between adjacent half cycles. So therefore current is not having the same phase along all parts of the transmission line. This will interferes the interference cancelling the radiation pattern. So మళ్ళా మనం చక్కగా డయాగ్రామ్స్ చూపించుకున్నాం. T equal to 0, T equal to what is T equal to T by 8. Clear? T equal to T by 8. So T equal to T by 8, T equal to T by 4, అదేవిధంగా T equal to 3T by 8, and the time equal to T by 2. So these are the various possibilities. These are the various possibilities to maintaining the particular one. So what is the conclusion? So what is the fundamentals? So definition of antenna. So definition of antenna completed. So radiation mechanism. So completed. Clear? So radiation to wire dipole completed. So what are the fourth one? So current distribution on thin wire. So completed. So 50% of unit 1 completed.